Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this new video on 3-minute series for prelims, we'll be discussing about the scheme that is Pradhan Mantri YUVA Yojana. PM YUVA, that is YUVA Yudhyamita Vikas Abhiyan, is a scheme that is centrally sponsored scheme and it is implemented by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship for encouraging entrepreneurship education and training in India. Since this is a centrally sponsored scheme, the division of financial resources will be between the center and the state within a ratio as decided in the Act and not completely dependent upon the center for the financial resources. Through this scheme, it seeks to enable ecosystem for the entrepreneurship development through entrepreneurship education and training, promoting social entrepreneurs for inclusive growth. The scheme also seeks to provide entrepreneurship education to about 7 lakh students in about 5 years through 3,500 institutes which are maintained by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. It also ensures easy access to information, mentor network, credit, incubator, accelerator and advocacy to create a pathway for the youth so that they can become future entrepreneurs. Now let us consider some of the specific objectives of this Yojana. It aims to deliver entrepreneurship education free of cost, that is no charge done to the people who are interested in entrepreneurship education, through MOOCs, that is massive open online courses and other online programs through the learning management system. And it also seeks to create online marketplace to connect the budding entrepreneurs to investors, financial institutions like banks, lending agencies, and also business services like legal requirements, human resource services, etc. It also aims to set up a national mentor network to help a peer-to-peer connectivity in this system. And to promote the social entrepreneurship, it seeks to provide awareness programs for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and also the minority beneficiaries. It seeks to establish a national network of incubators, accelerators, and credit agencies. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding PM YUVA Yojana. The scheme is implemented by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Entrepreneurship education is provided through massive open online courses or MOOCs. Which of the following statements are correct? The correct answer is B2 only. As we have just discussed, that statement 1 is wrong because this scheme is implemented by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and not MHRD. And through this scheme, it seeks to provide entrepreneurship education free of cost through massive open online courses. Therefore, the correct option is B2 only. For more such videos on basic concepts, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.